Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Baseus 10,000 mAh power bank, as you can see here, and this is the magnetic type, so it will allow you to charge your iPhone using the MagSafe. Alright, of course you can still use the normal USB-C port to your device. It still has a connector, and let's unbox this together. So there's nothing else in the box left, and what we have here is the power bank itself, and what I got was a white color. Alright, 20 watts, and of course if you're using the wireless, the MagSafe charging, it wouldn't work at 20 watts because iPhone only supports up to 7.5 watts for your wireless charging. Alright, so in order to get 20 watts you have to use the USB port here connected to your phone. Let's see what else we have in the box. Alright, a kind of sticker, I think, and a small manual, right, and also a USB-C to C cable. Oh yeah, so this is actually the manual. This is the warranty card, sorry for that. Right, and let's see the power bank itself. Looks and feels good quality, and also not too heavy, to be honest. So I'm not sure if it has some battery on it. Okay, it does have three battery here. It means 3 bar of battery. Alright, okay, so let's test the power bank here, and I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, so let's put it on the table. Let's put it there. Okay, it's now aligned. There we go. Charging, as you can see. This 6. It's not gonna fall. It's gonna stick there. It's not very strong, but definitely it wouldn't fall if you're not going to like heavily shake it. And right now let's try it on with a normal case over here. Transparent case. Let's see if it still works. Alright, definitely it's dropping. Alright, it's not gonna stick, but let's see if it will still charge. Okay, it does charge, but unfortunately it's not gonna stick when I release. There we go, just not gonna stick to it if you're using a normal case. And right now let's try a MagSafe compatible case. This is the one. It's still new, still. It's not even, I haven't even teared the stickers. Let's try it on. Right, and there we go. Alright, it sticks on. It still slips a little bit, but it does charge and doesn't fall off. If I shake it normally, it still sticks there, which is good. Alright, I would say it's actually stronger if you're using this kind of MagSafe case, but it also depends on the brand you're using, because I feel that it's stronger compared to when you don't use any case, because there's an extra magnet here on the both here. And right now I have a magnetic metal ring, which is also from Baseus, and let's open it. Right, so okay, they even have the sizes here, which is good. For 11 Pro, 12 for 13 mini, the 10 or 10s, 12 Pro, 13 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 10R11, 12 or 13 Pro Max and a 10s Max. So it helps you to like align it. As you can see here, there's an instruction here. So this is the ring. Right, we have 2 of these. So basically you stick these to your phone case actually, or it's actually also you just stick on your phone. That will work as well. It all depends. Alright, like for example, let me try to do this, see if it works. Alright, I have my phone here. I take this 12 or 13 Pro Max. I'm not sure how this actually works, but I think it should be like this. And you just put it somewhere here. Right, it just actually sticks to it, and you put on your case. Let's see if this works. If you don't want to stick this thing to your case, alright, and see. Alright, so it doesn't work actually. It's like nothing, it's very weak. Right, this is a fail. Let's try on the outside, because actually it should be like this. So you put on your case, it just sticks to this. There we go. As you can see, it actually sticks firmly. So the conclusion is that you still need to stick it on your case on the outside, or else it wouldn't be working. You put on the inside, it's gonna cause like it's not strong enough. As you can see, you can remove easily. Alright, so that's all for the quick video of this Baseus 10,000 mAh power bank. Alright, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So do stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, and peace out.